Hey guys, so this is an example about solving for angles when there's variables involved. Okay, and this is going to look a lot like problem 20 from your homework on 5.2. So the first thing we should notice is that M and L are parallel because of these two arrows right here. They each have one arrow, so that means they're parallel to each other. And they're cut by transversal T. So this gives us some angle relationships that we can work with in order to solve for x and for y. So first, we got to notice that this angle 3x and this angle 4x minus 5, they are both interior to the parallel lines M and L. And then they're also both on the opposite sides of transversal T. So this means that they're alternate interior angles. That means they're equal. We can set them equal to each other. So we have 4x minus 5 equals 3x. So let's subtract 4x from both sides to get all of our x's on one side. So now we have negative 5 equals negative 1x. And then we can just divide by negative 1 on both sides to get that x is 5. So now we've solved for x, and we just need to find y. So looking at this relationship right here, 3x and 5y plus 10, well, these angles are both lying along line L. And they're adjacent, so that means that they are a linear pair. And that means that they add to 180 degrees. So we can just take 3x plus 5y plus 10 equals 180 degrees. And we know what x is. We already solved for it. X is 5, so we can just plug that in. So we get 3 times 5 plus 5y plus 10 equals 180. And then we can multiply and simplify things from there. And now we can just combine our like terms. So 15 and 10 makes 25. So we get 5y plus 25 equals 180 degrees. And we can subtract 25 from both sides. So we get 5y equals 155. And we can divide by 5 on both sides, which should give us that y is 31. So there we go. We've solved for both variables.